As downtime becomes increasingly costly, manufacturers have the opportunity to shift from reactive to more predictive. Using real-time visibility and predictive analytics, manufacturers can maximize equipment lifespan and minimize downtime. CDW ensures your data insights flow from the shop floor to leadership dashboards, connecting your systems from the edge to the cloud, delivering actionable insights, robust cybersecurity, and AI-driven analytics to improve performance and optimize your production lines. We help you bridge the IT-OT gap so those data insights can become more scalable, secure, and tailored to your unique environment. Our experts partner with your teams at every step, from planning and integration to supporting operations, increasing efficiencies, and helping to drive innovation. With CDW's team of OT experts, our proactive approach can help improve your operations and support smarter resource planning. Amazing happens when you have trusted OT experts on your side. Discover how CDW can help you predict more, prevent more, and produce more. Reach out to your account manager to learn more or visit cdw.com/manufacturing.